Let's start again. Say hello. Very nice, hello. Yeah? Okay, now tell everybody, what's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. One more time, what's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. Amigo is very polite. Amigo, how do you greet? How do you greet all these nice people?
How are you?
Yes, how are you today? Fine, wonderful. Thank you, Amigo. Okay, Amigo is very clever. Yeah, he can count 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bravo! Perfect, 10. Okay, now he can count in English. Let's see if he can count in Chinese.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow! That's very good. Thank you, Amigo. Okay, Amigo, he also loves to sing, and this afternoon he is going to sing us 3 songs in 3 different languages. Okay? Now the first song is a local children's song in Mandarin. It's entitled "Her Ren Lai." Can you sing for us in Mandarin? ，This is Rocky. Hello, Rocky. I'm going to take Amigo away from you, okay? Now, Rocky is our penguin buddy. Rocky, why are you out here? Rocky wants to tell you. Very good. Oh, wow. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful, colorful birds, and not forgetting our lovely buddies back there. Now we have come to the end of our show. We hope you enjoyed the show as much as we have been presenting it to you.